know what? Yes, let's make some black letter type in Illustrator. I'm going to start by going to the Letterform archive for inspiration. I'm searching Fractor, which is a German style of black letter. I dragged my inspiration into Illustrator, and looking at this example, you can see this was probably made with a broad-edged nib held at like a 45-degree angle. So if I go to my brush drop down, I can select new brush and then create a calligraphic brush and kind of futz with my settings to be about that. Then you just play around. I'm using the pencil tool, which is a little bit more freewheeling, and any place where I want there to be a thin, I just make sure that my path that I'm drawing is at a 45-degree angle, and that'll make sure I get that really thin. And the cool thing about black letter is it's more is more, so any kind of extra little fun things that I can add in is going to make it look even better. If I want to try something new on a letter, I always option drag a copy and save that on the side of my artboard. Call me a hoarder, but I hate deleting anything. I always like to have it there in case I want to go back to it. I took a lettering workshop with Ken Barber, and somebody asked him how to get those nice smooth rounds when you're drawing. And he said, think about where you're moving your arm. If you're doing a nice big round swash, you want to move your shoulder and kind of keep the rest of your arm still. But if you're making just kind of small rounds, just move your fingertips. I'm going to copy this in and just option drag it over. Now we finesse and slightly move pixels around for another couple minutes, hours, days, whatever it takes. Then I make a bunch of copies and test color. All right, what do you think?